So microneedling is something we encourage our patients to do at home in the form of using a derma roller in combination with topical antioxidants, but it's also a treatment we can offer for at a deeper level in the surgery. So we use a microneedling device which is applied to the face after a topical numbing cream. Ideal for acne scarring. We use it in conjunction with platelet-rich plasma therapy to instill the plasma through the skin. It can be used in areas where scarring, so train track scarring that patients have had as a result of previous procedures and surgical operations. Ideal for stretch marks. There's a whole range of things that microneedling can help, and it's a very sort of affordable treatment with minimal downtime and minimal pain as well. So it's a popular form of treatment and something that can produce very long-lasting and natural results. We don't promise that it will fix every line and wrinkle on your face, but certainly if you start young enough and have a regular routine of microneedling that you use at home on a regular basis, you'll actually help stop the clock yourself.